So guys, welcome to my channel. This is Web Nora. I want to quickly show you how to deposit on Plaza Finance. If you have been on Plaza Finance for a while, you understand that the testnet phase is now out. That's the pre-season is now has ended. Now we are now approaching mainnet. So the deposit menu has been initiated on Plaza Finance, and some people have mentioned or complain that they do not know how to go about depositing. So I'm going to quickly show you how to deposit on Plaza Finance. So when you get into Plaza Finance, just look at the page. You see that beside the earn leverage, you now see the deposit menu that is there. Just click on it. It will open a new window. So on this new window, you are going to see it's going to ask you to connect your wallet again. So basically, just connect your wallet from here. So after connecting your wallet, all you need to do is go to all you need to go do now is now you see the networks here, the tokens here that are supported. You see WET, you see EZ, W WET, WETH, and all the others. So what you are meant to do is to go ahead and swap it. It's on base network. Plaza is on base network. So what you need to do is go ahead and swap your base it to any of these networks for you to be able to deposit on Plaza Finance. So let me just show you what to do now. I'm just going to try to swap to the wet. Yeah, that's wrapped it wrapped Ethereum. So I'm going to try to swap. So you see here now, it's saying maximum. I have zero. I have zero. So that means I need to swap my Ethereum on base mainnet to wrapped it. So how do we do this? Just go to jump up and just click on this drop down arrow. You see below here, you see a list of about two exchanges where you can swap this. So we just click on Jumper Finance and head straight to Jumper Finance. So this is Jumper Finance. When you go to Jumper Finance, you will have to also connect your wallet here, okay, on Jumper Finance. So wallet is connected now, and then you now have to select. If you have your ETH on Arbitrum, or Arbitrum network, it still works. So just choose Arbitrum and then it on Arbitrum, and then you swap to the wrapped it on base. So now I have my it on base network. Okay, this is it. So I have my it on that. You see it now, it on base network. Then I'm swapping to wrapped it, this on base network as well. It has to be on base network. You see it, wrapped it on base. I'm swapping from at base to wrap it on base. So how much Earth on base do I have here? Let's see. So I have 1.76 here, $1.76 worth here. So if I'm going to have to swap, I shouldn't swap everything because you'll be needing some amount of Earth base for gas during swapping and also while depositing in Plaza Finance. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to reduce this 8 to say 6. Okay, so on Plaza Finance, they said there's no minimum deposit. You can deposit $5, $1, whatever dollar, $1,000, $10,000. There's no minimum. What they are trying to do is they have opened. They said they have a threshold of 5,000 each. Once this deposit hits 5,000 each, the deposits will stop. And basically, what they need is for liquidity on all these pairs. So you can go through the FAQ here to see what they are going to use this for. Okay, so let's go ahead back to Jumper Exchange. So we say we are swapping. That means we are swapping. I have $1.76 here, and I have reduced this to 6. So that means I will have 0.1 or 0.2, whatever it is, for gas for both swapping. And if you check here, you will see how much Jumper Finance wants to charge me for this swapping, $0.01, which is fair, which is very, very fair, I think. So I'll just click on review swap. Remember the reason why you have to leave um, some amount of Earth on base here is basically for you. So, okay, says rate has changed. Continue. It's basically for you to be able to pay for gas while swapping, and then be able to pay for gas when depositing. It's just that, so that you will not just get choked up along the way. So you see there, it charged me a little bit of gas. That's $0.01 there. So once this one goes through, we'll go and check our wrapped it on. Okay, so this transaction has gone through. Confirm transaction. It's still loading. Okay, yeah. So it says done. Now we'll go and check our wrapped it here. You see it has changed to now we have some amount of money. That's 1.35 that I swapped to this wrapped it. So we have it here now. So that's all you just need to do now is confirm deposit, and then you approve it in your wallet. So with that, you will be able to you have deposited with that. At least with that, you have gotten mainnet interaction. Hopefully, this definitely this gives you additional points on Plaza, definitely. So we wait for this. So if you need to know more about all this, just go through the FAQ, the frequently asked questions below, and so you understand everything about this. Like they said, they need this money for liquidity, just in case when they, as against when they go mainnet. And then they said this money also is still yours. They're not taking it away from you. It's still your money. It's going to be converted to points, to Plaza points when they are ready. So I have successfully deposited, as you can see here, I have deposited this 1.3 dollars here. So basically, this is how it works. Don't worry, you just deposited. Your points will not be reflecting here. It's later on that it will start accruing, and your points will start showing up here. So that is exactly how to deposit on Plaza Finance. I think the deposit time is very, very limited anyway, and then also against when it hits this 5,000 at threshold. All right, thank you guys. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. Please do, and then stay glued as I bring you more videos. Thank you very much, guys.